Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Su-75 checkmate. An update. Russia through its Sukhoi Design Bureau is actively seeking to enhance its interactions with Indian defense officials regarding the Su-75 checkmate, a single engine stealth fighter aircraft currently under development. This interest is expected to be significant focus during the upcoming Aero India 2025, following positive discussions held at Aero India 2023, where Russian officials briefed their Indian counterparts on Su-75 program. The checkmate is being positioned as a cost-effective alternative to existing stealth fighters, with Russia keen to solidify a government-to-government deal with India that could potentially reshape India's future fighter acquisition plan. Next, unveiling truck-mounted howitzer. Tata Advanced Systems has developed a new truck-mounted howitzer based on its renowned advanced towed artillery gun systems. This new artillery system is designed to compete with the MDS developed by the Kalyani Group, both of which share the same underlying attacks gun. The Tata developed TMH leverages the Tata LPTA 3945 3138 8x8 truck as its platform, offering exceptional mobility and versatility. Next, a revolutionary loitering munition. Artemon Aerospace, a leading defense technology company, has developed a ground-breaking loitering munition designed for air-launched effect (ALE). The ALE, which can be deployed from sonobuoy launchers, offers a coordinated swarm capability for maritime surveillance, threat assessment, and scalable responses to maritime challenges. Next, protective ceramic coating for small arms components. In a significant development aimed at enhancing the durability and performance of small arms in India's defense arsenal, the Armament Research and Development Establishment, a key laboratory of the DRDO, has announced a collaboration with Bangalore-based SSS Defense. The collaboration is focused on developing and integrating Cerakote coating technology for critical small arms components such as barrels, bolts, and receivers. Next, India's LUH and IMRF helicopters. A captivating 3D render by Harshal Pal has recently shed light on the size disparity between the two significant helicopter projects undertaken by HAL for the Indian Armed Forces. The render showcases the LUH, that is Light Utility Helicopter, a single-engine 3-ton category helicopter, alongside the upcoming Indian multi-role helicopter, a 13-ton medium-class helicopter. The LUH, a product of HAL's design and manufacturing expertise, is already in limited-scale production and is set to replace the aging Cheetah and Cheetal helicopters in the Indian Army and Air Force. On the other hand, the IMRH, currently under development, is intended to replace the Russian-supplied Mi-17 class of helicopter, providing a much-needed upgrade to India's military aviation capability. Next, revolutionary anti-corrosive epoxy resin composition. In a significant development for the Indian Navy and the broader maritime industry, the Indian Navy has been awarded a patent for a revolutionary solvent-free anti-corrosive epoxy resin composition specially designed for coating applications. This innovative is set to enhance the durability and longevity of naval vessels by providing an advanced protective layer against corrosion, a common and costly issue in marine environment. Thank you.